I mean, it's been a while, but
I mean, they just go for a best dedicated server, and they just randomly get assigned to Spirit server. I guess I don't know.
all these dang Canadians playing Left 4 Dead.
Server Chicago.
Oh, all these dang Chicagoans playing Left 4 Dead.
Corrupting our server.
Spirit is giving, is handing the server out to all his Canadian friends at the moment.
We'll be starting soon, guys. We just have to wait for our admin to get back. He'll be back in a minute, and then he'll start the game for us.
That's alright. Are you guys like really good at the game?
Yeah.
That's a loaded question.
That's I mean, yeah, I guess you could say that.
Okay. I've played for a while, but I recently made this switch to PC, so my aim is a little but I know what to do.
There's a guy that plays on a controller with PC.
He's not here, so nobody's gonna judge.
Okay.
Who plays on a controller?
Missy.
Missy does?
He plays like I cannot imagine playing this game on a controller.
I mean, it came out for consoles.
I know, but still, I just still don't see how first-person shooters do well on consoles.
That's true.
I know they're really successful. I'm just saying, as somebody who constantly plays this on PC, like it seems so alien to me.
It's mostly the auto aim. Thanks to auto aim, we great. The crossplay in other games, though, that's what kind of messes us up.
Alright, so this is not a normal server, it is a modded server, so we will explain the rules when the game starts.
Okay.
It's nothing too crazy, it's just to enhance the gameplay. We host game every day, or at least we try to every day, at 9:30 Eastern.
Okay.
Most of the
What
time
time
we
zone are you in, X?
Wait, sorry, what's up?
What time zone are you in?
I'm in Mountain Time Zone.
Woo, Mountain! I'm not Mountain.
So that's
Yeah,
7:30.
I used to be Mountain. Or wait, hold on. Is Arizona Mountain or Pacific?
It's in Mountain, but they don't do daylight.
Okay.
I have no clue what mountain is.
It's Eastern, Central, Mountain, and then Pacific, and then whatever Hawaii's in.
Oh, you went right to left.
I went from good to worse.
Oh, Cody's here.
Better late than never.
Cody, we got 2 recruits.
Oh, Cody!
But will they stay and join for the next game?
I don't know.
We are out. We decided to go with a good old Earth flight to get them situated.
Are you gonna play? Cody?
No,
Why not? You sound down.
Because it's-
depressed.
it's urban flight.
There's a 5-on-4 situation then.
That's
No,
it.
they agree. It's fine. Alright, we should go into our separate teams and explain.
How about you explain to them now? Like, both of them at the same time.
Because that would be reasonable.
Right?
You see what I did there?
What?
I played loud screaming for 10 hours, and then moved Groovy into their channel.
Yeah, I'm gonna BRB. I'm gonna use a bathroom. Also, I see a coach here. Do we have a bot?
Yep.
I'm gonna use a bathroom. Be alright.
Somebody give me a shout when ready, if you could, please.
All right, so this is custom stuff, Hex.
Okay.
You can use your melee on the ground to cover yourself. Most of the other modifications are on the infected side, though. Which, like, they can pick their class. They don't have to just be a random one. But you can't be the same thing twice.
Okay. Is that something like you just like you're able to do, but
Yeah.
you're not supposed to?
You can just you can just right click to change.
Okay.
I won't explain the specials until it's our turn. But the main thing is that you can use a melee on the ground. It takes 3 times to go black and white instead of 2 if you fall down.
Okay.
And I think you get 60 health instead of a lot less when you get picked up. Other than that, I can't think of anything special about you guys.
What all? Oh, I didn't hear what all you said because I wasn't listening. So
I just told them about the melees on the ground for survivors. That's about it for right.
Oh, you're just doing survivors because we're survivors. I did. Like,
yeah, I don't want to confuse people.
That's fair. Well, I mean, it might be useful to know the differences in the special.
I told him that he could switch, but yeah, okay, I guess it does make sense. Yeah, Boomer can move and boom. Smoker can move while he's smoking. Jockeys are faster. Chargers are faster.
And don't stop. Chargers, and well, until they hit something.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it that mod that chargers can cancel grabbing?
No.
No.
Oh, okay, cool.
You can fly before you spawn in as a special infected by pressing reload.
Okay.
So you can get on top of stuff and then spawn up there.
Smoker tongue is also faster and longer.
Yes, yeah. And I think Spitter recharges faster.
And this is what took me a long time with Spitter. There's no delay between when you like click to spit and it actually spits. It's like instantaneous. I don't know how else to explain it, but it fucked me up because I was used to the delay of vanilla.
So it's more snipey with spitting.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have to ready up before we can start.
Yeah.
All right, I'm here.
All right.
And hunters can do a 100 pounds, which is like glorious.
Who has guns?
I have one.
I do not.
All right. There's only 2, I think.
Yeah.
All right. Oh.
Clear, you have the other gun?
No, I have no gun.
Maybe there was only 1 then.
What? So there were 2.
I don't know.
Charger around, get ready.
He's on the left.
Reloading here.
Jeez.
Yo, they saved me from the spit.
Spit!
Yikes.
Nice.
Oh, sorry, that's you.
All right. This is 3 ways downstairs.
Okay.
Coming down.
I'm gonna check
Soldiers
the
at the
quick
back.
way. It's not this way. Try the kitchen.
A lot of you see your
Kitchen.
gun.
It's kitchen, right? No, it's blocked.
Boom, boom. Spit.
We gotta get out of here. It's not in this way.
You're covering
Come on,
me.
Jackie.
I'm gonna heal up. I'm gonna heal up. No.
Yoshi!
Here it is. It's over here.
Coming.
Yo, coach, cover me.
Okay.
I'm healing. Alright. Go.
You'll see me. Yep, this way.
You guys good? I'm at the exit.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're good.
It's to the left.
A boomer up top.
Yeah, I've got no guns, so I couldn't do anything.
Yeah, there's guns towards the end. In the hardware shop.
Pop him, pop him, pop him. You have a gun.
I can't see him.
He's chasing me.
I don't know where you
I don't
are.
know what happened. Right here.
Where's right here?
Oh no.
Oh, I'm reboomed.
Me too. Oh, I'm being smoked in a alleyway.
Okay, I think I saw where, but wait, maybe not.
Where are you?
I have no idea where you are.
Alleyway.
Oh, and cars are chargeable. Some cars are chargeable.
Okay.
I tried,
Sorry,
man.
we couldn't
Sorry.
find you.
I found him.
Oh. Oh, I'm hunted at the other end of the alleyway.
Oh, Smoker can move with this tongue too.
Yep.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh, you shouldn't be picking up if you have a gun.
There's no spit there.
Oh no! Oh, sorry. What the fuck just happened? Oh, okay. That was weird.
I feel like that was my bad. Sorry, guys.
That's fine.
No, you're good.
There was no spit on my screen and I'm getting hit by it.
How the boomer was right there though.
You can't say right there. That doesn't mean anything.
He was chasing me across the street.
I
It
didn't
was
know.
all over the place.
Jason, I didn't know where the heck you were, so it doesn't matter. I was boomed.
Okay, we're gonna spit charge here.
Correct.
Yeah. Next,
Yeah, you can right click this, cycle through them all. We can only have 2 of everything except for Boomer.
Okay.
Let's see.
imagine if 2 boomers were allowed.
I know, it'd be kind of cool.
Chaos.
It wouldn't be too useful.
Chaos though.
They have the kitchen, by the way.
Okay. So that's harder.
Yeah, yeah, we had the easy way.
The game is generous tonight.
I'm gonna try to get them before they come out through that
Next,
doorway.
yeah, be a spitter.
Spitting?
Oh, they have 2 guns.
Oh shit!
Shoot.
Ah!
He's chasing.
Ah!
What in the hell just shot me?
Reloading.
Look out!
Look out!
I'm stuck.
Nice cover.
Oh, nice shot.
You. Oh. Well, I missed somehow.
Healing. Oh shit! Watch out!
That was a lucky spit.
At the entrance.
Thank you.
Oh no, he sees me.
It's okay, get 2 down.
I wanted to live forever. You know, like that song, I want to live forever.
Yeah.
Please no.
How did Spirit see me? What the fuck?
He's probably got those organs on the front of his face. Oh, son of a bitch.
Did I push him when I died?
Yeah.
Sorry, I had no control over dying.
Or no, sorry. It was the it like stumbled me. I like
Ah.
landed. I missed anyway, and then the explosion stumbled me. It was
The
sad.
police car is chargeable.
Yeah.
Uh,
No, not the police car. Sorry.
None of the cars are.
I don't know. You
It's
can
not-
if you
the
go
alarm
into
car
the
is,
hood.
but-
Go into the hood.
Don't shoot that car.
Shit.
Hey, what were you doing?
Missing? Yeah, it sucked. Go smoke!
No.
Yeah, smoke!
Nice.
Right through that fence. Go, damn it! All these fucking poles.
I miss.
As long as you get a slap, that's all that really matters.
This is a cool map.
Now that's how you boom 4 people.
They will get guns, and then they will take the lead and never give it away.
Jim.
Get ready.
Careful, Hex. He has a gun. He's waiting.
Yeah. Kinda. Oh shit.
Ah, god damn it.
Dang.
They have
I
guns.
still fucking missed.
No, no gun in there. Usually that's where the gun is.
Aw, man.
Oh shit.
Ain't used to all this shooting and running around. At least not the running around.
Wait. Nice.
Nice.
Nice boom.
I was just a second from getting him back down. Oh shit, he was black and white.
Yep, he did. Which? Mocha?
Ah.
Nice.
What the fuck are they doing?
Lighting all the fires.
Hey, I'm reloading. Get ready. Yes.
Oh no.
Touch on the back and do a charge from the back.
Ah, shit. That was embarrassing. I don't know what else to say.
No, I tried.
Just go scratch him. Jump in there.
Are you done laying around now?
Or smoke.
Jump in there. Jump in there, guys.
Is it 4v4? I think we're all dead.
Oh, I see their health. Sorry. Jason and Hex. I don't. It's not going away.
Oh, that sucks.
Ah,
Shit.
who the fuck was that? Fletch?
Just go in with chargers and punch them.
We're not doing any damage to them.
Oh my gosh.
Can't spawn! Are you serious? I can't hit him. Oh my god, I'm stuck. There you go.
Dude. At least your shell died doing that.
There we go.
Oh, he knows it's happening.
Yeah.
How am I fucking
Just had to
hell?
punch him. Just had to punch him.
Fuck. Hell.
Time to stop pissing around and get this
There we
big
go.
guy back into action. Move it! I'm freezing my nuts off.
The charge of this corner here.
Or we could set up stop on the steps.
We don't want to do any damage
We
here.
could try, but if they get up those steps fast, we can't get the death charge.
Yeah, but we weren't doing that much damage the last round.
Let's fix that this round. It's a whole new round. Alright, so what are we doing? I guess I'll charge.
Yeah, you guys charge.
I'm saving my charger.
We could have 2 chargers, right?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
I'll go first, and then.
Like, so that like the charges are faster, so you just gotta time it properly.
Okay.
Well, yeah. I'll go first, and then, like, when they kill me, then you go in. Hex, that is. Just to be clear.
Everyone just starts rushing in.
I'll go first then. I'll switch first.
I missed. I totally missed.
Yep. Set up top.
I went outside.
I just charged the solo guy.
That's good.
Nice.
It'll slow him down. Oh, and that fire helps. Do you know where to go, player? Go.
I don't.
You're going the wrong way.
Upstairs, yeah.
You're going.
Upstairs,
They can't
yeah.
even get to where you are. Actually, you're off the
Oh.
map. They go up the fire escape.
Okay. Oh shit. They
See where
know-
we are?
Yeah, but they know where I am. They're gonna kill me.
No, they're not. 'Cause you can't do anything to them.
Well, I mean, if I like show my face.
Sure.
That's it.
I can't climb this thing? Oh, that's bullshit. Did you get one?
They're right up there.
Yeah, they are.
That's a shame.
I literally still cannot respond.
I don't have any money.
Oh, I see what you mean by the death charge.
Ah, fuck me.
Well, you can shoot while you're on a ladder.
Yeah. Sorry.
It's hard to remember all the things.
No, it's fine. I just saw it in the thing.
Yeah, it's modded.
Oh, and you can crawl when you're down. There's another one. I don't know if that was said.
Oh, well.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. The more booms we get in, the better.
Oh yeah, booms are super good.
I keep passing the spitter.
Oh, well,
Nice.
it's in spit, so that works. I was hoping to take him down, though.
You like Huey Lewis and the News? Like Huey Lewis and the News?
God, I don't know this map.
You like Huey Lewis and the News?
There's a wall there. I didn't see that. Oh.
Cover, cover. Fair.
What's up?
Cover.
Cover? I just I didn't know I could spawn.
Right around the corner.
Ah. Fuck.
Nice.
Got one.
Just drop them. Like a.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot
Dead.
you can do that. Get back over with your team.
Uh-oh. Wow, that's my bad. I don't know how to play jockey.
Honestly,
Clear, smoke
no.
the car. Clear, smoke the car. Where the charger is. Come on.
Hey! I didn't make it.
You're on the wrong side.
I think
Yeah,
they're
it is.
trying to res Rochelle too. One of them's got a defib.
Oh, you're right.
Fuck.
That would've been cool.
Damn mailboxes. I guess they're not trying to res?
Well.
God.
There's no shame in just punching him.
Well, when you entirely miss. Or do you mean just literally not even trying to charge? There's a little shame in that. I don't know what you're talking about. Fuck me.
I got Alex. Never mind. Oh, you could
Where's
jump
where's
it.
the fucking horde though?
Everything good, like.
Are you getting him charging? Or do you need help?
Trying to.
Ooh.
Okay.
Nice.
No, it was the new guy.
Wait, that was only like. Wait, how long is that map?
No, it was
Oh, the scoring is
that's dope 18
different.
H.
Oh, okay.
So there is a death charge.
I got my second vaccine today, and my arm.
2 vaccines? Jeez.
Round 2.
Oh, okay.
COVID electric boogaloo. But my arm is actually it's way weaker than the other one made it me.
They're okay. They don't really know how to do everything.
Ow! Ow!
Oh, what was that?
Reloading.
Smoker.
Oh,
It's alright, right?
there's 2 chargers.
Oh, I got one, and the other one got me. Okay, we're good.
Gotta cover him.
What the hell? The fucking horde. Get me up, please.
I'm getting someone up.
Yeah. The horde pushed me off.
Thank you.
I get down there.
Reloading.
Ladder to the left.
There's a jockey.
Oh no.
Pounce.
Reloading.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Oh, you got him up. You didn't say anything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I stuck through the spit to get him up.
fucking zombie just crawled over me.
Charger.
Oh shoot.
Oh, this is bad.
You gotta
Oh my
kill that
God.
spitter.
What am I on? Oh.
Oh no, what do I do?
Just jump off.
Yeah. However, you're at the back though.
It was worth a try.
I have 3 guys who are totally clueless on my team. It's pretzels with peanut butter.
Ooh. I don't know what we're talking about.
Oh, sorry. I was talking to Richie Lick. I pressed the voice chat button. You didn't hear that.
No,
Enjoying some tasty snacks myself.
Sounds good.
So is it peanut butter?
And pretzel.
I'm so used to pressing the button to talk. Is there no spell checker in the chat or something? I'm throwing some at the screen right now, Lick. Did you get them? Why do they take so long? Yeah, Patch is strategizing. We need to get a 9,000 point lead, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Second late. It's okay. Nice job,
Okay.
Jason.
Why was there no second charger?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Maybe your health bar needs to be readjusted. This sure was.
These allegations are false. I did not have.
Fuck, they keep closing all these goddamn doors.
What? They're not even letting the new guy play. He's literally died in like 2 seconds every round.
Oh.
I swear I charged them on the staircase, but then I teleported backwards. That was cool.
Again with that stupid charge shit. There's a boat there.
They are all boomed. Nice smoke.
Yeah, smoke them into the water, yes. Nice.
Oh, nice. Nice drop down, too. Oh, he might be dead. Yeah, he's dead.
Indeed did.
Good kill.
Thank you.
Oh, should have had him. God, I would have taken him forever away.
Anyone in the die here camp? No? Hey, come on, come on!
Motherfucker. Nice, Jack.
Nice.
No fucking way. I'm just gonna drop. There's no way I'm waiting for these three.
Thank you.
I will certainly get smoked behind.
Cedar's not gonna save us. Any ideas? We need to get the hell out of here. All right. We're gonna stroll across the bridge, and the army's gonna take care of us. That's one theory. Get that crap out of
Oh shoot.
Whoa!
Rochelle, that's the wrong way.
Is it?
Yeah, you have to come up.
Is it the wrong way? You sure?
Why don't you tell me that there's a shortcut?
It's not a shortcut. It's just an alternate way.
Wait, so then I was
Either
waiting
way.
for Howl, so now I'm fucked.
Where are you?
You're listening to Jason.
I'm charged back. Just I don't even know where the fuck I am.
Ooh, jockey.
Shoot, I'm being charged on the bridge we just came across. Nice.
Hey, where are you?
I'm dead. That's where I am.
Well, it would help if you told us where you were.
I wouldn't know how to describe it. I mean, you kept saying Howl went the wrong way, so like I waited for him to come up, and then all of a sudden he
I
didn't
didn't
have to.
Another way.
Well, I didn't either. I mean, I just was like, oh, I'll wait for Howl. Because Howl didn't say that there was another way.
Hey, you should have just trusted me.
I should have. I don't know. Sometimes I forget this is a Christian server and how important trust is.
I'm gonna heal real quick.
X, it is not a Christian server.
I know.
I know.
Dude.
Jason, we still on for Eucharist later?
Going for what?
The body of Christ? Jeez.
The jockey on you.
Yep.
Oh, where are you?
I'm dead. Just go.
Do we just rush?
I'm under
Yeah,
the
just-
water
just rush for
drowning.
it.
There's a jockey behind you.
Yeah, he's killing me.
Dude, no, I meleeed. That sucks.
Now here's where we trust their try hardness. I'll just ask for a trade, Jason for Patch. This is finale, right? It's a 4-mapper. Yeah, oh, stupid finale.
Text type exclamation Q.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the first team or the second team that gets that. That command will kill you if you ever get like stuck as a special infected.
Okay.
Or you want to just fuck your team over.
You do that while you're writing someone just to BM? Like, not writing someone, that sounded weird. Like...
No, you're good.
If, like, you're a smoker, can you, like, kill yourself mid,
Yes, you can do whatever you want.
What I do have are a very specific set of skills. Talk to you about being. Go find you. I'll get out of here.
Yes.
Team hour.
They got me mid-A.
Why are we a spitter?
Nice boom.
And I lived. Boom the second.
Oh, wait a minute. Didn't realize there was two.
Let's pick this coach up over here.
Oh shit, he's low. Oh, he's dead.
What?
There. There's it.
Oh, I feel horrible. I think he was gonna die. They literally just keep letting him die.
You gotta pull.
Reloading.
We'll just do a tri-cap, quad cap.
These allegations are false.
Wanted collateral.
I did not have sexual relations. These allegations are. These allegations. I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
There you crashed?
Have sexual relations
Did I
with that
crash?
Yeah.
woman. I
What are you
did
doing,
not
man?
have sexual
What do you mean?
relations.
I don't see you on my screen.
These allegations.
I'm currently the smoker ghost, flying around.
These allegations are false. I did not have sexual.
That is not where I meant to land.
I did not have sexual.
It looked cool. Is that?
Fair enough.
I did not have sexual relations with that woman. I did not have
Nice. Hex.
for that woman.
You're getting a hang of it.
Have sex
Yeah.
There you go.
Nice.
Oh, what was that?
Oh shit.
These allegations are false. These These allegations are false.
Were there no weapons?
They're over here.
I was just kidding.
There, Matt, over here.
Oh. Yeah, I needed one too.
Hex.
What?
Don't
No,
worry.
they want to do
Hold
the
on,
stupid
come
kill shit. Let's just go. Let's go.
Almost there.
I didn't see it. Yeah, they didn't have to ready up.
Charger missed.
Ammo on the Hummer, by the way. Backside of it.
Oh, hunted. Thank you. Charger. Charge back. Like by the Hummer. Thank you. I'm slow now.
How's that different than before?
I knew I was sitting there faint shit. Oh, I didn't make it up here in time. I don't know why I knew you were gonna say some shit.
You put it on a T.
Let's go.
Okay. Oh, I'm stuck. Thank you.
Come down, drop down.
I'm pounced. Dang.
Where are
Wait,
you?
how much did he hit me for? They got me.
You can
Yeah,
crawl.
where are you?
I'm reloading. Give me a sec.
Oh, we're all dead. That's Spirit.
Is that game?
No, Spirit's being nice.
What'd he do?
Let me go.
Now, why would he do that?
That's Patch.
Oh, are you still up there?
Reloading.
where
Don't
are
leave
you?
him behind. It's the new guy.
I was trying to get an angle to snipe. Oh, hello there. Sorry.
Doors.
Come in.
I knew there was infected coming, so. Oh shit.
No, the kids.
Oh my god, all the fire!
Oh, I got one. I think.
That is mega fire.
Ah, this fucking spit. More. I'm dead.
I'm coming for you, How?
There's fire all around. I'm surprised this can hasn't gone off.
Where are you?
I'm by the cans. The back.
Oh god.
Right.
I'm coming.
You can do it, Hal! No!
It's that perfect aim of the baseball bat.
Yep. I
Where
appreciate
y'all
it.
at?
By the
We're
by the gas cans.
Oh. Oh no, that's the other side.
There's about to be some fire. Get crawl.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh shit! Excuse me.
Yeah, whatever.
Take that, you mealy-mouthed bastard.
That's a tough That's a tough one to figure out. Good game, Gary, Gus. Going, get.
It's good. Because I've got a stuff.
Damn, you stumped me.
Yep. That was a good game.
Why did you throw player? On map number 3, you just flat out threw. You're like, yeah, no.
You threw
I go the
What's
other way.
that player through?
I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't throw. I'm just terrible.
You just did.
I'm just terrible. Do you guys not know this yet?
Look,
Like,
we
Patch
sent
is,
our new guy to kill you,
interesting.
and he just did a fine job.
On the spectrum.
yeah. It's the arrogance from just flat out destroying you guys normally.
Yeah. Look, I got my pity win for the night. I'm somewhat better than where I was before.
You're in a better place.
Yeah.
I don't know about how your new guy was, but Hex is a cool guy.
Hex seems like they were doing pretty good.
He's like
Hex is cool. Yeah.
like
Yeah,
personality
our new
wise,
guy,
definitely.
Here's what I'll say about him. He seemed like he was really, really. Either he was onto some substance, or
If you the guy that's name is Dope.
yeah, that kind of gives a lot away. But the way he sounded and the way he was like, in the middle of the game, he'll be like, "Oh, I was doing something else." Literally in the middle of the game, we can't be doing something else right now. But well, wait, that's him. He didn't talk much, but otherwise he was fine. Like play-wise, he was fine.
All right, so True Feng Shi now.
Do
No,
you
Hal,
wanna
I
do
already
another one?
left you go once. I'm not gonna do it again.
I knew that was you as soon as it happened.
And
And then two of your teammates jump on me immediately.
Sorry, what was that, Hex?
I'm probably gonna get off for the night. It was fun though. You guys said you guys play like at 9:30
Eastern.
time.
Yes, about 7:30 your time.
Okay, sweet. Yeah. So if you guys are on tomorrow, I'll head out the Discord.
Yeah.
Just check the Discord. If there's a map announced or something, you'll see it in the hosted maps channel, and we take it from there.
Sweet. Thank you guys. You guys are really fun. So I appreciate it.
Yep, thanks for
Well,
playing.
glad you enjoyed
Yeah,
it.
Hex.
Oh, Mashiro's in here.
Watch him leave the group and just never come back.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
God damn, bro.
But yeah, I'm done for the night. So
What? You're not gonna play like the whole night?
All right, boys.
I gotta work
Rage,
tomorrow.
Remember that.
Catch you
That's
later.
what he's done.
Yeah,
I did
Nuclear
rage.
was. He literally like shat on like. He got mad at Patch. He really got mad at Patch.
Why? What did you do?
What did you do, Patch?